The girl is making progress.
Balance is trash.
I've been shopping. But I always think something not gonna fit, and then it fit, and then it be egg on my face. These are my confessions. When you pay $1 for something.
I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We been going at it for a minute or two. Darling, you got the sweetest heart, and I don't want it to break. That frown on your face got me hurting, I'm afraid.
Hey y'all, welcome to another video. If y'all new here, I'm Asia G. If you're not, welcome back. I'm at the gym much later than I anticipated for today, but the good thing is I already went for my run. So let's do a quick lift and we're gonna get out of here. I'm scared to jump. I'm scared of falling. Fear has no place. I'm at the gym with the night crowd. They don't know me, so I look crazy with this GoPro. I always feel the need to update y'all, just in case y'all want to record in the gym, but you're afraid of looking crazy. I look crazy right now, in this moment. Goodness gracious, balance is trash. Balance is trash.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me?
The Plus has baking soda and polysorbate 20, which is like a coconut derivative. It's for like tougher stains, harsher scents, people with pets. It's usually a $2 difference. You do get $1 off for bringing your container back, but it would still be 20 instead of like the 21.
Okay, that's fine.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
And you still want to do Narcissus?
Yes, please.
That I would be dumb to let you go. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you?
We had a busy day, a busy morning. I thought I was gonna make it to the gym. I did not. I didn't make it to nobody's gym, but I did make it to do like all of the other fun stuff. The one thing I didn't show is, y'all know one of my goals this year is to take a trip out the country, and my passport expires next year, so I'm just gonna get it like renewed now. I got the picture taken, now I just gotta mail everything off. The girl is making progress like on like these travel goals, like on my vision board. This is the part on my vision board where I want to travel. So like I'm packed and ready to go. I want to go to New York. Y'all gotta stay around because I feel like I wanted to go to a Spanish speaking country, but I think we end up settling on going somewhere in Europe, but not like Spain here where they actually speak Spanish. I think it's gonna be like a French country or something like that. So I got Paris on here, so I feel like I'm making good progress here. And I actually logged into my Vanguard account like for the money part of it. So I ain't did nothing to it, but I at least logged into it after not logging into it for a really long time. Oh, and this one is my just being creative on YouTube, and it could be easy. And I have like 708 subscribers, so I am 292 subscribers away. I hope that's good math. Y'all saw earlier when I went to like seize the clay and we painted like the pottery. Me and Joe actually kind of made that pottery like back in July. We're just not getting around to going back and painting it. I'm so happy that they like held it for us and didn't throw it out, because they totally could have, because it's been like 6 months. But the guy who owns the pottery shop, he started following me on Instagram when we went back in July. And so I seen him for the first time today. And he was just saying that he watched my ordinary girl vlogs.
Hello. Hey, how are you? I was watching you the other day.
You was?
Yes.
You really watched it?
Yes.
I was like, I just don't have the energy.
And it just made me so happy, like, I can't believe it. My little mind is blown. But anyway, I've been shopping. So I got a new pair of leggings. I tried to buy a top to matches, but Amazon sent me the wrong thing, so I had to take that back to Whole Foods today. That was the return you guys saw. But the same thing, Aurora. Y'all don't quote me if that's how you say it. And I love these because they so stretchy, and it's like a thicker, stretchier fabric. And I just feel like it is so bright. It is so me. And then I got the same brand. I just got a navy bra to match like the navy leggings that I already got from them. And this one was way more affordable than some of the other bras. I think this was like $17. They have some other cute bras on there, but they want $25 for them. I'm gonna buy it. That's not the point, but I'm just saying that's a lot for a sports bra to me. And then I went to Target. Did y'all know that your wash machine actually needs washing and cleaning? Don't come for me. That was not a thing that I thought of until, like, even though it has a button on the wash machine that says clean me, I would think that you would just throw like a detergent pot in there and it would just clean the washer. No, there's actually something specific that you have to buy to clean the washer. And so I'm gonna clean that tonight, because it does have a bit of a it needs to be clean kind of smell about it. Then while I was there, of course I had to buy things that like was not on the list, because I ordered this for pickup, and then I went to see like the displays that they had. So I just got this really cute t-shirt with like the little heart, and on the back it says all the love. And then of course I went to that little $3 little owl thing, and they had these elastic bands that you can actually put around like your different sheet sets. So I'm gonna try these out, because I just roll mine up and throw them in the closet. But if I can fold them, kind of make me feel like I would be at a hotel or open up a brand new set of sheets every time it was time to like remake my bed and wash my set that I'm sleeping on. It was only $1, so they got me with that. I dry my hair with my bath towels, like all the time. It's a clean bath towel, but I dry my hair with my bath towels. And I've been reading like you're supposed to use like microfiber material to dry your hair, and it's supposed to help your hair do something, child. I bought microfiber hair wraps from Amazon, and I'm gonna try these out tonight because I need to wash my hair and blow dry it out, because I'm gonna go and get braids. Y'all saw me all at the Bluff City soap. Like, to me this is a treat. So this is laundry detergent, but it smells so good. It's when I tell you it actually lingers in your clothes, it lingers in your clothes. And I call it a treat because it's $20 for this little thing. But if you smell it and you see how long it lasts in your clothes, it's a little bit addictive. But I don't buy it all the time because the Tide Pods that I use already is $20. So I can't imagine myself spending like $40 just on laundry detergent. Also, when I went, they had like a bunch of other like new scents, and they actually have male scents. So I know that Valentine's Day is coming up. So if y'all are tired and washed out of Bath and Body Works kind of gifts for Valentine's Day, either for your male significant other, female significant other, they significant other, if y'all go online, Buff City Soaps has an online shop. They have like, not the laundry detergent, but they have like body oils, matching soaps. They now have body mist. They don't have lotion, they have body butters. Those will make really cute gifts for Valentine's Day, or even Galentine's Day gifts for your friends. And then the last thing that I have bought, don't y'all judge me, I said I was going to stop shopping at Shein. I said this in my mind, Shein, but every once in a while, like, I get God, and then I buy some stuff. So let's see what I have bought. They made sure when I'm going to get into this box, though, I'll tell you that. I'm going to buy me a house. Get the up out my house. More gym stuff. I feel like I needed more gym stuff. I know I just declared that gym drawer, but I feel like I just needed some other colors. I've been thinking stuff is too big and it's not. And this ain't. So I got this before, and I have it like in a dark teal color, and I have it in a like a fleshy earth tone color. But it definitely feels different than this does. I got it in the medium, but it's this hot pink set. I feel like I got because this don't feel like the same material as the other one, even though it's like looks the same. But I always think something not gonna fit, and then it fit, and it be egg on my face. Egg on my face. I feel like red is my color. I feel like whenever I wear red, I look so good in it, and I don't know if that's conceited to say, but I feel like I look really good in the color red, and I don't know what it is about it. But it's gonna be a Valentine's Day. I'm curious how these leggings are gonna look, because they are definitely thinner than the other set I got, and it's feeling more like a loungy material versus a workout material. But we'll see when I put this on and go to the gym. And I got it in a medium. And then I bought some more sports bras. Then I just got like some little ruche bras, and I got them in mediums. I got a white one, and then I got like a baby pink one. And I don't have either one of these colors. I had a white one, but it got dingy, so I had to give it away. And I just never had like a baby pink one. The only thing I'm missing that I didn't get a chance to show y'all was a return that I made to Whole Foods, because they sent me a Reebok bra. But I brought a bra like in the same color to match this, to make this a set. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite workout brand right now. I just end up buying like the sets from Shein just because of the color choices that they had, and then like the two bras, like of course they are more affordable on Shein than they are on Amazon. But I'm gonna have to do better and stop and get affordability out of my head, because it's a lot to go along with that. Also from Shein, I was looking on Victoria's Secrets. They had these really cute $70 pajama set that I was just thinking about getting, and so I just found something that looked exactly like that on Shein, and it's just like the blue satin with the white piping. Give you the red light, it's special all through the night. Y'all know the video. It's giving me TLC, red light special. And then obviously I just had to add stuff in just to add stuff in. This cute little furry hair clip. Treated myself to a new phone case. How cute is this for Valentine's Day? Oh. I should have bought two. One for work and then one for home. Easy breezy. Oh, and I can use it for cooking. I probably should get a couple more of these. I'm supposed to be going back to do it. Does materials count? Like, I know what they said about the clothing. What about like these little items? Do these count as things that we're not supposed to buy? And then the last thing I got is this corner rack. Now, I seen this corner rack on Amazon for like almost $40. I believe it was on Shein for like less than half that. I'm gonna figure it out. Don't y'all worry. Don't you worry. Let's try out these dollar things that I done got for the sheets. Also, these are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I can say, my chick on the side says she has one on the way. My lips look red and stuff. It's because I've been giving in. Let's see. These bands. Of course, they have it folded and then they have the pillowcases rolled up. Oh, I bet they have some kind of cardboard in it. We just gonna roll them. When you pay $1 for something, look at that. It's a look at that. I'm gonna have to resew it, but in the effort. A gem. I initially bought these like to go in my car to like have a good fresh smelling car, but I also found that these work really well in small spaces as it suggests, which is like the linen closets where I keep my sheets, where I keep my towels, the actual closets where I keep my clothes, like the little powder room bathroom that's downstairs that's pretty small, and like they give off like a fragrance and they last for at least like a month and a little bit of change. So if you were looking for something like to keep like in your linen closets or just like your regular closets to have like a kind of smell good fresh thing, these are like a really gem. They don't take up a lot of space, and because if you keep it in the area where the door is closed, it's very fragrant. So small spaces, not just cars, which is like duh, it don't say cars, it says small spaces. I do believe that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me over the past couple of days, and leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Until then.